Talk to me, bro. He said I'm dangerous.
What do you got for the movies?
Yo. Heals.
Heal!
Switch it, bro. I got $1 on King Leo, bro.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Oh, I got $1 on King Leo.
Alright, we got $1 slide there. Oh shit. We gotta find a better setup for this shit, bro. No cap.
Yeah.
Can we like make this higher?
I don't know. I think you can.
No, it just doesn't move. Maybe if we like
I'm gonna hit a grab right
let's
there.
do some slow shit. Alright. A detect chase on platform. What was that thing? I wasn't even watching.
King Leo's almost the guy that beat Seba.
Oh, you're right. Nah, but Akko's Roy is different, bro. He got the movement tech on deck. Oh, the MT? Wait. Oh my god, what is happening right now?
Honestly,
Holy
crack
shit.
right there.
I would have gotten
Bro.
hit by that, I would have missed that smash too.
So if we get the backer right now, Nair combo, goes the opposite direction.
Yeah,
Goes for
but
the Nair instead. Then we get the leg trap.
Okay, the roll. Okay.
Dude, Falco's roll is actually really good.
Pretty good.
Oh my god.
Yo, Falco
Dude, I
sucks.
thought that scooped.
Falco's also
He
not
looked
good.
no
with,
profile, like he was like,
Yeah, he did.
oh my god, wait, the spot that.
Gonna go for the down there? Nope, not gonna go for it.
Yeah, bro, if Falco forward throws you, you can't jump, bro. Or else you're dead.
Oh,
Oh my god, the pivot grab? That was actually crazy. Oh no. Falco sucks, bro. Wait.
dude, he has to get this stock. He can actually kill him with fair.
Oh no. Wait. There's one jab. Oh my god, the spot dodge.
Actually, that off.
He's trying to got spot touch. He did, but he didn't finish the combo.
He's rolling a lot too. I feel like Akko's rolling a lot.
He can air out a shield.
Okay.
Finally got it. He just needs one grab right now with Falco, and that's enough.
Up till.
Up till a grab. He can literally catch this up in a second. The Kilo's playing careful right now.
I know, bro. Look at these lasers.
That should be.
Oh, okay.
Who said that Akko had better freaking?
He
Yeah,
doesn't.
backers.
He really doesn't. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I don't know who said that.
Well, that was Buster. Buster's a cap with the
Yeah.
But for, like for Jared, you gotta use like your C stick or
They're
something
both
like that,
like really
right?
basic.
Yeah, I know. What the
Dude, what the
fuck?
heck is going on?
They're playing neutral.
Back here? Nope. He knows to go for the up tilt back. Don't side B and split.
Oh
thank
my
goodness.
god. Okay.
Jump. He's there.
Oh,
yeah.
dude, that
That was an
dash attack
F tilt.
sucks.
No, that was a pivot boost F tilt. Holy
Yeah.
moly, how did that freaking...
Down there. Oh, okay.
Oh. Called out the
Wait.
jump. Doesn't get the fair.
Oh, call up the leg jump. No jump.
Okay, that should be it. No.
Bro, I love how Leo always looks like concentrated. He's like in the zone every time he
AirPods
does
on,
that.
bro.
Yeah, bro.
No!
Oh my god. Alright, he's playing a little bit patient, camping him out a little bit. Got the lasers on deck.
This is good percent, dude. Like, 9%. Shutting down any movement.
Akko might switch to
What?
I think Akko might switch to Joker.
Why do you think that?
Because he's struggling neutral a lot. Because, like, a lot of Akko does, he just breathes in with Nair and then, like, fades back.
He likes baiting his opponents a lot. If the
Yeah.
opponent isn't like committed, Akko like
He kind of
He
struggles.
doesn't know how to what to do. Oh shit, that's spot dodge. Yeah.
that was the first spot that Swale did too.
That is
That
not
should
the
be damage?
that's cap, bro. He spot dodged like 5 times.
Bruh, like the most obvious or the most like in that situation I mean. Like we're close right there.
Oh, no. Yeah, he messed up.
Oh shit, bro.
No one's rolling in.
No way Leo's gonna take this shit.
Oh,
Oh, that was a back here, bro. Come on, Akko. I need my dollar, bro.
He's
Oh my
dead.
god,
He's
yeah.
dead, dead. He's dead, dead.
That was actually close. What was that down there right there?
I think he's gonna switch. I think he's gonna switch.
Yeah, that was really risky right there from Team Leo.
Maybe he missed it on the platform?
Sure, honestly.
He's gonna switch. Yeah. I would not pick Violet.
What the heck? Late 40 made it freaking top 8, I think.
Who?
Late 40.
Oh, I thought you were talking
Wait,
about
they
at
both
number.
switched. What the fuck? They both switched.
So this
This is
matchup
interesting.
isn't the best for Violet. You can't keep up with Wii Fit.
They're both little filthy ledge crawlers, man.
That's true, that's true.
Look at him.
Now we'll see what Akko can pull off right now.
Yeah?
Oh,
No, I didn't.
I think I would have missed that tech too. It's kind of delayed.
I do well. It's kind of playing the same sort of like with Falco. He was just like lasering.
Uh-huh. That's the way Kilo kind of plays.
Yeah. I respect it. Oh my god,
Bro,
bro.
what you trying to do right there?
That LPL shield that. You can't LPL shield that.
I realized that Akko likes to press buttons.
Yeah, bro, that fucking up air is safe as fuck.
Try to keep breathing. Oh, didn't cut me the ball to cover himself. Dude, why did that ball look like it hit so
What
hard?
the hell? Wait, if you start up deep breathing again while you're like in it, does it like cancel it?
It's slower.
Yeah, it's slower. It's
You
like
can just
that.
cancel it, so it's really easy to cancel. It's
But-
shield.
Oh shit, wait.
What the heck?
You got dash tech mode.
Wait for it.
Nope. Oh, it gets the sour hit. Okay, catches that shit. Oh, okay.
Honestly, I think even if it's a dash attack.
Uh-huh.
This is an actual counter pick, dude. Taking somebody to Kalos with Wii Fit Trainer?
It's on you. He really wants to be out the front.
Well, like, is Palos good for Wii Fit or what?
Huh?
Is Palos good for Wii Fit or
Black
what?
things are good for Wii Fit in general.
And look how much stage he has.
That's true.
And back to you.
Oh, I messed it up. He needed that.
Ah, bro, that 9%, bro.
No!
The jump? Dude.
I would have said,
Oh, God. Oh. That was a back here right there, bro.
Okay, Kilo doesn't overcommit to get back to ledge. It could be.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Is Akko gonna go his whole character rotation, bro? He's gonna go Joker next?
I mean,
Oh,
now,
he didn't. This violence is like, not real.
He's not real?
Not real.
friggin'
So you're saying he's not playing Violet right now?
Like, it's just not real. Not a real character.
Let's see what how it goes right now. This is a best of 5? I thought it was a best of 3.
That's a 3. Back here, it's like easy. That's a 5. Just capping deals.
it's top 8. Alright, gets the ball down. Dude, he completely, like,
I guess that's why he switched to Joker.
Yeah,
Or he
yeah.
switched to Violet to get time to get things to work with.
oh,
Oh shit! Wait.
and
Oh no! Bro, he's Akko
he's
is
shimmying
not.
his way up.
Bro, Akko's picking
No!
some like he's not picking good out of shield options, bro.
Dude, he barely air dodged that.
No, bro. Oh
He's
shit!
not-
Wait. Oh no! Oh.
Was that fair?
No fair.
I've never seen fair kill that fast in my life, dude. Alright, it's 1-1 right now. See how both. These guys are both counter pickers, bro. He's going Joker now. If he wants small battlefield, he's going Joker.
Oh!
What?
Goodbye.
He's staying violent?
Why is he going violent? I don't know.
Yeah, he keeps on trying to mash out that. Nair's like super safe on shield.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that was the up B, bro.
Holy
Oh, almost
good.
the tech, bro.
Took me a lot of insensibility.
Did you see how much shield stun that thing had?
God damn.
Stop it.
What?
Yeah.
That was funny.
Dude, he's playing some mind games right now with that ball, dude.
The character does not beat Leafit. The character does not beat Leafit. Leo almost lost to, or King, Leo almost lost to Leafit.
Dude, John talking about
back here.
matchups.
Or
I'm just saying, bro.
Just win, bro.
Dude, you can't. Dude, if MK Leo himself can't do it.
Dude, holy
No way!
That's actually way more small.
But that he got robbed.
He got Blitcher's card.
Yeah. But, oh my god, that was it. That's it. Man.
Yeah.
Oh, you said.
Yep. That hugely didn't mean nothing. Okay, calls out.
No.
Dude, he keeps on trying to narrow the shield. That nair, like, it's not working. He needs to realize he can't
He's a
punch
fairy.
that.
What does he have out of shield?
Nair and up B. But, like,
You don't punish Leafit out of shield.
yeah, and Wii Fit's nair is actually insanely safe.
You gotta hold the L, bro. You guys gotta, like,
You just gotta respect
you
it.
gotta respect it. And beat her in some other situation. Oh, you probably could've. You got that fair.
Oh,
okay.
nice DI right there from King Leo.
Oh, you could've done it right there.
Yeah, right there it was perfect situation.
Okay. Doesn't get the sweet spot.
Alright, here comes the random Akko and S-Smash. I feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
Ah, bro, it's the back airs, man.
Oh, Wii Fit trainer
Oh
top
my
tier
god.
right now.
Oh,
Nice.
quick reaction.
Nice. I don't know if you see him, he has a little bit of dandruff on his shit, bro. There's that little white pixel, bro.
That's already enough,
Oh,
bro.
he's got a little sweat.
That he has like 1 pixel of dandruff. I can't keep my eyes off it, bro. It always distracts me.
Oh, I see it. You're stupid.
Dude, that fair is freaking strong.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Dude, he-
Who's the son? Oh, the Akko?
Ah, nah.
Raw?
Doesn't get the read and get up attack, doesn't beat that shit. Come on.
Dude, he's fighting his way out of this, dude.
That's probably. That's not bad.
Whoa.
Back here, bro. Oh no.
Oh, doesn't get the jump breed. If he had, deep breathing, that would have been it.
Where is Ron?
Oh no. He did that really late. That up there was not gonna connect. Oh my god.
Oh, I think he messed up. He's gonna drop down. Ah, he
Okay,
down
nice
right
catch,
there.
nice catch. But it is the best of 5.
So King Leo, Akko has a counter pick advantage right now. What character does he have against Violet?
Wait, what's up, like, Leo? What characters he has against Violet? I have no idea. I
I
don't know
know.
what characters Leo plays.
He has Rob, Beated, Bowser, Hero, and Falco. What are we gonna say? We're gonna switch.
Hero isn't good against Violet?
Hero?
Cause like, can't just like outspace him with like random shit. Accelerate out.
Like going hero right now. Against Roy.
Oh, against Roy. Interesting. Interesting.
We're gonna fighting counter pick wars soon.
Small battlefield too. Holy shit. Yo, can we? We can't see the game.
Yeah, we can see this.
Yo.
There we go.
Okay. You told me that shit was a thing.
It is.
Down throw fair. He just air dodged it.
Not that percent.
Oh my god.
Akko.
Akko won the last one.
He's challenging his way down, dude.
No,
He doesn't
bro.
care.
Does that up air get the entire platform?
It's an up tilt.
Yeah, up tilt. Sorry, yeah, I said it wrong. Oh my god.
Yeah, it does. Oh, that actually.
It's actually insane.
Exactly. Metal slash, you know?
Doesn't that thing, like, it only works on when you turn into metal or whatever?
Yeah.
What is this?
What is this? Who's messing up?
Man. Get Jules off the TO desk, bruh. Get him off. Oh, that was
Spot
kind of
dodge
nice,
down
though.
smash. Dude, King, that's a king level, bro. He always spot dodge and down smash.
Spot dodge cancel. Let's go. The Wi-Fi.
Remember, it is hero, bro. You can never count out this random.
That's true. Yo, that kills. That's amazing.
That move's whack.
Boom, bro. Oh no, don't use up smash, bro. Not you. That was interesting. He thought he was gonna spot that.
Oh, no. Okay. I think that was an up tilt.
Okay, the down tilt? Oh. Nah, bro.
Yeah, King level's kind of struggling.
Ooh. He had the read too, but he didn't up there. Way too early for that.
Oh my God,
What is happening? Whip grab, whip grab. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, I lost
That
$1,
feels me.
bro.
Damn. I'm up $1, bro.
I lost $1. Here you go, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Where's G-Dog, bro? He freaking owes me money. G-Dog! Where's my $5?